In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and remove the error 500, often known as the internal server error, on your Hostinger website. This common issue can be quite frustrating as it disrupts the accessibility of your website. Fortunately, there are several effective methods you can utilize to resolve this error quickly. First, we'll explore using Hostinger's AI Troubleshooter. Access your website's hPanel, and from the left sidebar, navigate to WordPress and select the AI Troubleshooter, which is currently in beta. This tool scans your site for errors, identifies the root cause, and suggests fixes. Let the AI Troubleshooter scan your site and follow its recommendations. If the initial solution doesn't resolve the error, use the tool's Try Another Solution feature to find an alternative fix. Now let's tackle issues stemming from potentially faulty plugins. If your site started experiencing problems after installing or updating a plugin, this may be the source of your 500 error. If you can still access WordPress through your hPanel, change all of your active plugins to inactive under the security section and then reactivate them one by one. If your site functions normally, keep the plugin active. If it doesn't, you've likely found the culprit. If you can't access your dashboard, you can disable plugins through the file manager, navigate to the public.html folder, select the WP content directory, and then the plugins folder. Right-click on the faulty plugin to rename its directory, adding disabled to its name. The next common cause is an issue with your WordPress theme. If a new theme or update triggered the error, consider switching to a default theme. If you can't access the admin area, you can change themes via PatchMyAdmin in the control panel. Here, update the template and style sheet values to a default theme. A corrupted .htaccess file may also be to blame. In the file manager, locate the .htaccess file in the public HTML folder and rename it. Then create a new .htaccess file and paste in the default WordPress code. Sometimes the PHP memory limit may be insufficient for the tasks that plugins and scripts need to perform. Increase this limit by editing the .htaccess file and adding recommended PHP values to allow more memory usage. An incompatible PHP version could also trigger an error. Alter the PHP version in hPanel under PHP configurations, save the changes and refresh your site each time, testing different versions if necessary. For more stubborn cases, enabling error display can help identify the specific error causing the issue. Use the PHP configuration section to turn on error display options and refresh your site to see more detailed error messages. Finally, if all else fails, contacting your hosting provider's customer support team is a good step. They can access server logs and offer further assistance to pinpoint and solve complex issues. With these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing the 500 internal server error on your Hostinger website. Don't let this error get you down. Use these strategies to get your site back up and running smoothly.